Our ham hocks are nice and soft. Our neck bones, nice and soft. So now, before I add the peas, I'm going to season this pot up with some onions, some fresh garlic. I always add kosher salt so it's not all jumping around. Okay, our chitlins have soaked. For those of you that don't know what chitlins are, these are pig intestines. And as you can see, they're very long. So what I'm going to do is cut them. Okay? Put this over here and start cutting. I'm gonna cut them about this because when it cooks down, it's gonna cook down to nothing. So I got this whole big pot to cut up. I'll be back. Some garlic powder. Onion powder, black pepper. Add the top. And let that cook until it boils up, and then I'll put the chitlins in. Would you believe this is 20 pounds? And when it cooked down, it'll probably cook down to 10 pounds. Okay. What I'm going to do is pour this water on here. I was going to put it on top, put it in here, but I'm not going to do that. But what I'm going to do is make sure I have these onions in there, because that's what seasons the pot up. I want to make sure the onions go in there. And then I'm going to pour this in and pour. I'm not going to pour all the water in there because I don't want it to be too watery. I'm going to add the kick. That's the red pepper, crushed red pepper. Just enough. Gives it a nice kick. And boy, look at those black-eyed peas. Don't they look good? Just add a little bit in there. This is what. Oh my God, look at that. Do you prefer rice, cornbread, or both? That looks so good. And this is what 20 pounds of chitlins boils down to. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Pork chitterlings and black-eyed peas. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Just had to take a little taste test.